Hi everybody, it's Diana. I know it has been so long since I actually did one of these. I had to get out my thing to make sure I remember what I was doing. Okay, last night I was working on thank you cards. I am so behind after having surgery. I had to take seemed like a month and a half off, and then we had the trip to Greece, so I swear I'm like 2 months behind. So I pulled out one of the kits from the new catalog, and I just had to show you it because it is so cute. So this is the kit I'm talking about, and it's a looking up card kit. And I usually get every kit every year just so I can check them out and whatever. And so this was the same that I did with this one. So, but what I didn't understand till I actually open the box. So let me move this out of the way. So it comes in the cute little box like that you can put this stuff back in or use whatever you want. I have the little stamp set, and oh my gosh, the fonts that this is so cute. So this one is just going to sit on my desk because I'm going to use it so often. And then I will show you the cards. But you get the instructions like normal that explains how to do everything. But like I said, what I didn't understand till I got the kit was there's like 3D stuff. So what it is you do 15 cards. So what I did was I did 2 of the cards without the 3D because I will be mailing these. So I don't want to have too much, things pushing out and stuff like that. But then they have little things you can pop out. So let me show you what I mean. So let me grab the plane. All right, so here's the airplane one. And I have so much of this stuff left over. It is beautiful. It's like a champagne rose gold, and they're just sticky. So you just peel them off and then they stick. So I have that left over, and then you get the little spot. But I just used my regular size ink pad when I stamped them. But so anyway, so let's go back to the card. So here's the airplane. So what you do is there's actually the airplane. See there? There's an airplane on the card itself. So you don't have to put this airplane on there. But what it has is there's a pop out. So you can pop out the plane. So this one I just glue dotted it on there flat. So it's not going to be too bulky when I mail it. And see, here's one of those really cute greetings with the font that is so cute. But this one, I did pop it out. So hopefully you can see how that plane has the dimensionals? So it pops off of the card more than the flat one. So I just thought that was so cool. So I just wanted to make sure that I showed you that. So here is the airplane popped out, and then the nut popped out. And like I said, you don't even need to pop it on there because the picture is on the card. So you could use that plane on something else if you wanted. And then here's the cute little envelope that you would put with the plane. Adorable. So cute. All right. Let me go to the next one. All right. So here is the palm tree. Let me get that plane over here. All right. So here's the palm tree one. So here is the flat one. So here's the flat one. So I just put them on there. And then I double stamp to give it kind of it does kind of come out to your eyeball. So there's that one. And then there's some of that rose gold. All right, but then here's this one. So this one is the one that I popped the palm trees out even more. So I wish I could get it to show better on here, but it's very cool. So anyway, so there is that. And then I made this one come in front of the greeting. So that was cool. And then let's see the envelope that goes with that one. So here's the envelope that goes with the palm trees. Very cute. So I'm just kind of putting them in a stack. All right, let's see what next. All right, now we have the cute little trees. Okay, so here's the cute little trees. And it's like a scenery in the city. And this is already on there. So it's just very, very cool. And they're all like watercolored and super cute. So these ones, I just put them on with the glue dots. I just stuck them on there, popped them out, stuck them on there. And just ignore Toby. He's back here snorting away. All right. So then now this one is the one that I popped the trees out so they stand off the card more. So cute. I guess it doesn't take much to excite me, but it was very fun. It was like, oh, I didn't even realize it. It's like Christmas morning, right? You don't know what to expect. All right. So this is the one I showed you at the beginning. So see, this is the plain one. So you have these little raindrops. So I just glued them on. Now these ones I glued on with the vine tip glue just because they're small. Everything else, like when I popped it out, I used dimensional. So even this one, I like cut the dimensionals fairly little. So you can see that the raindrops are popping. See, there's a little better angle. So you can see them popping out like a 3D effect. All right, and this is the last card. So you have 5 different cards and you do 3 of each. So 15 cards total. So here's that one. Again, look how cute the font is. All right, so there's that one. And then some of that rose gold or champagne or whatever it is. It's so cute. Now I just pop those on with glue dots. Oh, here is the envelope to go with the raindrop. All right. Now this is the one that I popped them. So see that? So you can see them coming off of the card. And I did the greeting as well. So I love it. All right. So, and then what is the envelope for the balloons is obviously a balloon. So that was just, I just had to come in and show you because maybe you don't realize it either, you know, when you're doing the kit. So I just like to be able to bring that to you. I need to do more videos. I promise. I will be doing more videos. So if there's anything you want to see in particular, just please let me know. You can make a comment in the group here and let me know what you'd like to see. And I will say see you later. Have a good rest of the day. And I've been like totally not even seeing people talking because I've been like focused on the thing. So I'll go back and say hi to everybody later, okay? So hi everybody, and then I gotta go see what the dog's snorting about. So I will talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye bye.